I see. I see a lot of people losing the game. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Magic Monday. Today I'm going to only do this many card tricks. I know I said I was going to revisit them, but I wasn't able to find an assistant just yet. So, I'm going to do some other stuff that hasn't have to do with cards. I know, me not doing card tricks. It's a disaster movie. Alright, so we're going to start with this dollar bill. This dollar bill. I am going to operate on this dollar bill. So we're going to put on this post-it, also known as one of those gowns you put on somebody when they're in the hospital, on the patient or whatever, and I am going to put this pen. I'm going to insert the needle into the patient. Alright, so now I am going to operate on the patient, like so, by poking through the pencil. Alright, we operated. We're good now. Now watch. There's obviously a hole there. I'm going to take the nursing gown off. And look. There is no hole in the dollar. No hole in the dollar. Should be right in the center, right? No hole in the dollar. How did I do it? I'll never tell. So, who's heard of Uri Geller? Anybody? Anybody? Well, he bends spoons with his mind. Which is kind of weird, because I can't even do that. Well, I can. I can show you that. Alright, so I'm going to draw a spoon on a post-it here. And here's our post-it with our spoon on it. So I am going to bend this with my... See the spoon? Spoon? Alright. I'm going to bend the spoon with my mind. So and back. Right. So you know what's even harder than bending a spoon? Tearing one apart. Yeah. Exhausted. I'm out of shape. Oh boy, I'm out of shape. Alright. So now I'm going to do a math trick, and I'm not very good at math. Just saying this now. Putting that out there. Not good at math. So, I have drawn a 4x4 grid on this board, this whiteboard right here. And I'm going to pick a number. Doesn't matter what number it is, as long as it's 30 to 100. So I'm going to pick 42. Reference. And so, I am going to write something down. I want you guys to start timing me, counting down from 30, starting whenever you want. I'm going to start when I start writing. So, start now. Alright, I'm done. So, I'm going to show you what I tried to do here, on this board. So, what I tried to do is I tried to add up all the numbers on these rows up to your number. So, the first one we have here is the column, the rows. So, A plus 11 is 19. 19 plus 22 plus 1 is 42. 21 plus 2 plus 7 plus 12 is 42. 3 plus 23 plus 9 plus 6 is 42, sorry. 10 plus 5 plus 4 plus 23 is 42. Now, if you think that's impressive, just wait. I also did it for the up and downs. So 8 plus 21 plus 3 plus 10 is 42. 11 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 is also 42. 22 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4 is also 22. 1 plus 12 plus 6 plus 23 is 42. Alright, but I'm not done yet. I also did the diagonals. 8 plus 2 plus 9 plus 23 is also 42. 1 plus 7 plus 20 plus 10 is also 42. But I'm not done. I also did the four corners. 8 plus 1 plus 10 plus 23 is 42. Also, I did the four quadrants. 8 plus 1, 11, plus 21 plus 7 is 42. 22 plus 1 plus 7 plus 12 is 42. 3 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5 is 42. 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 23 is 42. Lastly, I did the middle ones. 2 plus 7 plus 20 plus 9 is 42. So all of those equal 42. Everything on the square equals 42. Alright, people, last one before you have to chicken next with me. Oh, just for the record, that's not actually my Entourage poster. Somebody commented it's not mine. It's my roommate's. But it's still a cool poster. Don't yell at me, please. Okay. Let me take some water here. I'm good. So, last one. Now this is a cartridge. Like most things I do. I can't go on without doing a cartridge. So, I'm going to deal slowly from the bottom of this deck on the thing, and I'm going to stop myself whenever I want. So, pick a number 1 through 52. I'm going to choose 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so I want you all to remember this card. Doesn't matter if I see it. Some people yelled at me last week because I knew the card. Don't worry about it. So, I'm going to leave you with a lasting impression before I end the episode. I want you to go to www.whatisyourcard.com, and that will be and once you get there, you will see that it is indeed the card I showed you. Maybe. Wait and see. Alright, that's the end of the episode. Sorry for the little reference circumstances, but whatever. So I take off my hat to you for joining me once again, and see you next week for another Magic Monday. Have a good October.